If the way is crazy, go to the cooking brother book. No, you can't do it easy. You never use the recipe.
Well. Well. Next question. See ya.
I always wanna hold something. She don't smoke, but she gonna roll something. Got a bad bitch, she ready to fuck something. How you get that ass? All up in the.
What's up, gang, Market family? I am back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be doing different hairstyles of the week. Sorry for looking disgusting. So, yeah, and because President's Day was for Tuesday. Today we only have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, so only 3 days to be looking cute. Because honestly, I don't think I could do a full week of school. So, yeah. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, my Snapchat, as well as my Twitter. All will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #Karakin to get shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out goes to these people right here. So, yeah. Let's get into the video that way. Alright, so this is my hair just how I went to sleep. I basically braided it up last night. So this is how I'm looking like. The first hairstyle I'm going to be doing is actually, I did a tutorial on my channel, so I'll leave that video in the description box as well as an iCard. Click it, do that. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing since I did a video on it. I'm not going to be going too in depth on what I'm doing. I'm just going to do it, and then you guys will see at the end on how it looks like if this is your first time coming on my channel. So yeah. Okay, so this is the finishing look. This is going to be my first day of Wednesday. I'm going to be asking my friends how they like my hair and stuff like that, asking them questions. So yeah, this is how it is. I think it turned out cute even though I was under pressure. I was a little late or whatever, but it's okay. So yeah, this is the outfit. I think I look pretty decent, you feel me, better than last week. So yeah, this is the hairstyle. I'm going to be asking people how they feel about it. And yeah, I'm about to go to school. Okay, so I need you to rate my hair, yeah.
To be honest, I don't like the puffing, but when it comes to you, like, you do your edges and whatnot.
Oh my, I like your little braids that you got.
Thank you. To be honest, for half these other girls, their hair be looking like, what the fuck? But when it comes to you, I was like, oh, I see you, Karen girl. I give you a solid 9. I didn't give you a 10 just so you could be like,
yeah, you got 2 other days. You got 2 other days. We're gonna be doing some different hairstyles, whatever. The lighting is this way.
I like when you have the knot thingy. I like.
Oh, I'll do that tomorrow then. I'll do that tomorrow.
Her edges be on fleek. I be trying to do that shit. I be like, don't edge none of that. I'm sorry.
Alright, you guys. So I just came back from school. Actually, it's been like some time now. You see. You feel me? It's been some time since I came back from school, but this is like the first hairstyle. I think it looks really cute. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a top knot. I'm going to be preparing it, you could say, but yeah, I'm going to get back with you guys when I'm doing my top knot. I'm going to do that tonight. I'm not going to do that tomorrow morning because I won't have enough time. Alright, so we're on day 2 of our hairstyle. So I basically did everything last night. I'm just gonna uncover everything, fix things that need, you know, some work. Other than that, I'm pretty much done. I'll meet you guys at school, and I'm going to ask my friends on do they like my hairstyle on a rate of 1 through 10 and stuff like that. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is the outfit that I'm wearing for today. Something slight, I am staying after school today, so I'm going to be asking my friends for their opinion later this evening because I'm gonna stay after school. They'll all be there, it's just better. So yeah, I'll see you guys at school.
I never late.
Marie,
Huh?
so
Huh? I'm putting lotion on that shit. Don't expose me, Karen. Don't expose my ashiness. I cannot.
okay, so can you rate my hairstyle on a 1 through 10?
Me?
Yep.
It's not that bad, but it's not that good.
No, wait. Practice is canceled for today.
Oh. Rihanna.
Oh, practice is canceled. Wait, so what is it? You gotta rate it through 1 to 10, Marie.
7.
7?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then what about yesterday? Did you know about yesterday?
I forgot how it looked like.
It was a cornrow and it was like in the puff or whatever.
Oh, yes. Yes, that was yesterday. I love that hairstyle.
Okay, would rate
That
it.
was 9. I love that one. That was so cute.
Okay. Okay, so I just came back from school. I'm a little bit sweaty because I was supposed to stay after school today, but practice was canceled. So yeah, I didn't stay after school today, so I had to walk home, and no biggie, but like, I'm a little bit sweaty. I need to calm down. So yeah, my hair got a rate of 7 out of 10, but like I wouldn't say it's like not accurate, but like it's not accurate because it's only like one person, so it wasn't like, you know, because most of my friends weren't here today. So tomorrow should be a better and fabulous day. I think I know I'm going to be doing tomorrow. My hair is all sweat out, so it looks a complete mess. I'm so ready to take it out, so I need to, hold up, yeah, take the bobby pins out. This is how you know it's time. So yeah, this is my real hair though. I got questions if this was my real hair, yeah. But yeah, it looks really terrible right now. Yeah, now I'm going to go on to the next day, which will be an even more fabulous day. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so we're on our last and final day, our last and final hairstyle of the week. So because all of my hairstyles been in updos and stuff, I'm going to define my curls. And yeah, but basically I did 2 cornrows on the sides and a middle part. That's what I did. So yeah, I'm going to be defining my curls, and yeah. Alright, so this is the end of the hairstyle. This is how it's looking like. I'm going to be getting some questions like last time. This is my outfit in case you're wondering. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later today or when I'm at school. Rate my hairstyle, 1 through 10. It's a little messy because I was late, so 6. 6?
Yeah.
This is the lowest one? 6?
I like the other ones better. I don't know.
You like the knot better?
I feel my whole brain cells dying. Why can't I go to school today?
Okay, wait. You gotta rate my hairstyle on a scale of 1 through 10.
10. Go.
It's a 10. It look good?
Yeah.
I got a 6. I don't really like it because like I feel like.
Are you freaking vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
You got a channel?
I did this YouTube for real.
Ah, welcome. She don't got no followers, but it's okay.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. That's true. You don't even know. You don't even know. You're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I went to school with that girl when I become famous.
That bitch owe me some money. I got her followers. What's your channel name?
I'll tell you. I'll show you.
What is it? Just tell me.
It goes like living life as care.
Hey, y'all go.
Living life as care.
Let me see. Living life as Karen is the best channel.
Period.
Check it out.
Period.
Like all her videos. Thumbs down too.
Did you say thumbs down?
I'm just kidding. You're not real shit.
Right. Alright, you guys, so I just came back from school. My hairstyle got a rate of 6 and also got a rate of 10. So I don't know how to average out numbers. So take it or leave it how it is. Comment which one of these hairstyles was your favorite. Comment if you would like to try any. Comment video suggestions. Comment whatever you want. In my opinion, my favorite hairstyle would have to be the cornrow and the puff. I don't know why, but that has like a certain spot in my heart. And then probably the top knot. This is my least favorite hairstyle, but alright, you guys, so that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, click, and get a shout out in my next video. That's the insert Bible versus start off your week and up week with the kitchen. Get your